Hello, welcome to Top Dream. Today we're going to discuss a full preview of your UHRS account. If you have been verified, what next? I will discuss every bit of your UHRS account. I will explain how to do your work. I will explain what some tabs mean. So let's get into it. So basically, when you have been verified your UHRS and you have logged into your UHRS, you will be directed to this page. It is written marketplace. So basically, this is where your jobs are categorized into columns and rows and into different categories. For example, search relevance, other, video annotation, text annotation, image annotation, speak transcription. So basically, when you're given your UHRS account, these jobs are given to you regarding the certifications you did when you're creating your account. So for example, if you're done your transcription job, you'll be given transcription jobs and it will be written in the speech transcription column. At the last box here, validation, audio, text and conversation and relevance. So basically, your jobs will be shown there. So when you want to view your jobs, you will just click speech transcription and it will take you to the jobs that you have. The next thing, when you have done like image certifications or research relevance, you will just go to these columns and you will find the job that you want. But for me, basically what I like to do is I will go to all, but I will show you in a bit. So when you click all, it will take you to all jobs that you have been verified to do. So this basically are the total jobs, including in those columns that you saw. So these are all jobs. These have not been divided into subgroups, and this will show you jobs that you have done and jobs that you can do. So for example, when you open your UHRS account, it will show you like jobs like these ones. So for example, entity crowd HOO. Entity crowd HOO, and it has 66.2k hits. This means 66.2 thousand hits. For each hit, they will be paying 0.05 per hit. So meaning for every hit that you click, you'll be paid 0.05. So basically you can do the math and you can see how much you are being paid. Compare search relevance, compare search results, English V2. Compare two such results to determine which side is the better results and better represent the landing page shown on the right. So basically this pays 0.03 per hit, 16.7 thousand hits. So basically you will be paid 0.03 for this job. Compare such results, English V2. So basically, you can see those jobs here. Does the store have this product English? This pays more, 0.04 per hit, and there are 15.1 thousand hits. And in the description is, do you like shopping? Help make local search better by seeing if a store has the product that the user is searching for. So this gives you jobs that you can do. Basically for me, I see it's the best platform that you can earn for things that you like, for things that you can do like your hobby. So you can see there are some easy jobs here that you can do. So basically, when you have given a job like this, entity, for example, entity crowd HOO, and the first job you can see in the bottom, it will be written train, and in brackets, the number of hits you must do for you to be trained and qualify. So basically, after training, the first step you do in order to earn, you train first. So for a certain number, maybe you have been given, for example, entity crowd HOO, you have been given 10 hits. For after 10 training for this job, entity crowd HOO, after 10 hits, you'll be taken to a new page and this tab will change, and In the section of train, 10, it will be written qualify. As you can see here, identify potential new site, and it has been written qualify. So meaning I have done the training and now I'm ready to qualify. And this in qualify, you'll be given certain number of qualification tests. So if you can read, you're in a qualification phase for this hit up. You have 4 qualification attempts. There will be 10 hits in the qualification test. So basically what they're saying is, in this qualification section, I have 4 chances in order to qualify. And in any, for example, it's an exam. You're given 10 questions. So for these 10 questions, you need to pass. You need to qualify. So in case I fail the first time, I can redo the second time, the third time, and the fourth time. If I fail the fourth time, the job will never appear in my marketplace. It will never show in my marketplace because I failed the test. The next thing, when you've been given like this job, entity crowd HOO, you'll not just go to click qualify. You must download the guidelines, and you can download the guidelines by going to you can see here a download button, and it will basically download. You can see download guidelines, and you can see in my phone, it's downloading guidelines. These guidelines will guide you in order to answer these questions. Please ensure you read the guidelines. So for example, nowadays I hear people are seeking answers for jobs. Please ensure you do your guidelines. Please read them. As you can see, my guidelines has been downloaded. So for example, if I click the WPS office, it will take me to the guidelines for this job. As you can see, hours of operation guidelines. So basically, if you read these notes, page 1, page 2, page 3, basically in this page, 3 pages, you can answer the questions in the jobs, in the entity crowd, hits. So basically, those are your guidelines. Please ensure you read your guidelines in order to train and also answer. So the first step for you is download the guidelines, read the guidelines, go to training, train. Please do your best. Don't just rush into them. In the training section, you'll not be penalized. Even if you fail all of them, you'll not be penalized, but they will be giving you answers and giving you explanation on why you failed or why you've gotten it correct. So basically that is it. The next thing is, so after you have qualified, it will show you in the section of qualify, it will show, for example, this classify the intent of query in bracket English. They're paying 0.02 page per hit, 600 hits, and it will show you start. So for this one, when you click start, you'll be earning. So for example, let's go to this search satisfaction English. I can click on it, and for this one, it's paying 0.0273 per hit. 0.0273 per hit. So basically, you'll be paid for every hit 0.0273. So basically, if you can do the math, if you do 100 of them, you can basically earn, let's say, 2.7 US dollars, and this will be paid monthly, most probably at the 21st day of the month. The next thing, for you to do these jobs, I advise, please don't go to Telegram channels and seek answers. Please read the guidelines. Most probably these jobs, even if it will help you qualify, you'll most probably be blocked or you will be warned. And in these jobs, if you fail, like, there will be some categories. You'll have accuracy. So for you, after you have qualified and started your job, there will be some level of accuracy. So in this accuracy, you must have an accuracy depending on the owner of the job. So for example, most of them have an accuracy you must have of, let's say, 75% and above. Please ensure you get 75% accuracy, and this will help you. The pay will be increased for your account, and most probably you will earn more. Don't be greedy or lazy to answer this question first, because trust me, you'll be blocked. The last thing, on these jobs, please ensure as you do them, please ensure you choose like 3 work that you want to do. So for example, if you want to do entity crowd, compare search results, does the store have this product, and search for business by category. If you specialize on these jobs, you can earn on them, and you can see this hits 66.2 thousand hits. Trust me, from since morning as I woke up, the hits remain the same, meaning there were fewer and fewer people working on these jobs. So if you specialize on them, you can really earn. You can really earn so much. You can really earn almost even $20 per day, or even $100. It depends on the hard work. I believe hard work pays. Please ensure you subscribe to my channel, and I appreciate for your time, and let's meet in the next video. Thank you.